Today we're at a very cool project, 90 Riverside Drive. About to turn this over to the owner, who's going to be moving in over the next week or so. Take a look at these details. Pre-war apartment, fully gut renovated, very unique in terms of design decisions and choices. Has central air throughout.
Red and brown.
Look at this detail, quadruple herringbone, inlay borders, seamless tile to wood floor install. Look at this really cool living room. Beautiful marble mantle with the hearth cabinet, window bench to beautiful river views. Very cool custom millwork that we built for her here. This is the dining room / family room. Custom millwork here as well. And here, look at these details, all pre-war cove details throughout. Very unique colors we chose here. Client had very distinct taste. These details here. A nice sculptural bench here. Cannot wait to photograph this project. It's going to be really cool. This has all central air throughout. These are the registers. Curbless bathrooms.
I'm not connected. Disconnected the ground.
We did all new windows brick to brick.
Disconnected the ground. Right, the ground.
All new casings, sills. It's the primary bedroom. Cannot wait to photograph this. Primary ensuite. Soft open pocket doors, no slamming. Curbless entrance. Soaking tub.